Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes and App Store. Tap review to sign in, then review your account information. So guys, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You have to simply tap on review button from here and wait here for some seconds. So guys, first of all, select your country or region correctly from here. So guys, here I am selecting Pakistan, and after this turn on the toggle for agree to terms and conditions, and now tap on next button from here. And if you have a payment method, then select debit or credit card, and if you don't have, then check this button to none. And after this, enter your billing name, your first name and surname, and give here your billing address from here. So guys, you have to give here your billing address. You can give any fake one as well as a formality. And enter your phone number in the end. And after this, you have to tap on next button from here and save all this information in your Apple device. So guys, here you can see this Apple ID is completed. Now simply tap on continue, and now you can use your App Store and iTunes very easily. So guys, now you can get any app from your App Store or iTunes. So guys, simply tap on get button, and now tap on install button and enter your password, and now you will be able to install the apps very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.